Welcome to my channel. Smart Bro Router Login. Smart Bro Web UI allows you to change Wi-Fi password and name for LTE Pocket Wi-Fi, Home Wi-Fi, and PLDT Prepaid Home Wi-Fi at http://192.168.1.1. 1. Open a browser and type 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. Google Chrome. If prompted your connection is not private, click on the Advanced button and select Proceed to 192.168.1.1, Unsafe. Microsoft Edge. If promoted the site is not secure, click on Details and select Go on to the web page, not recommended. Mozilla Firefox. If promoted warning, potential security risk ahead, click Advanced and select Accept the risk and continue. 2. Enter the username and password and click Login. 3. You will be logged into the Smart Bro Web Dashboard UI. If you are logging into the Smart Bro device settings dashboard for the first time, a pop-up will appear to change the default admin password and Wi-Fi password. How to change Smart Bro Wi-Fi password and name, SSID. Connect to the Smart Bro Wi-Fi network and log into the Smart Bro Web Dashboard. Go to Change Name and Password tab. Enter your new 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi name and password. Click Save to apply the changes. Thank you for watching.